In this lesson, we are going to learn about concept of marriage. हिंदू मैरिज इज सैक्रमेंट और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, यानी हिंदू मैरिज एक संस्कार है या संविदा. हिंदू मैरिज इज सैक्रमेंट और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Concept of marriage. In Hindu religion, marriage is treated as holy bond or union between two souls. It is not just union for this life but also for coming life as well. Marriage is treated as essential samskar as among all 10 samskars. It is essential for every Hindu to marry. Marriage is a sacrament. According to Satapat Brahman, wife is considered as Ardhangini. Some religious duties cannot be performed as a bachelor, so every Hindu must marry to fulfill those religious obligations. Manu says, husband and wife are united to each other not only for this life but after the death of husband also. That's why widow remarriage was not permitted at that time. Hindu marriage is treated as sacrament because of फॉलोइंग 3 एलिमेंट्स. ये 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं जिसके कारण हिंदू मैरिज को सैक्रेमेंट बोला जाता है. परमानेंट एंड इनडिसॉल्युबल यूनियन. इन हिंदू रिलीजन मैरिज इज कंसीडर्ड एज सैक्रेमेंटल यूनियन एंड इट कैन नॉट बी डिसॉल्व्ड इजीली. बहुत आसानी से मैरिज के बंधन को नहीं तोड़ा जा सकता. मैरिज इज अ टाई विच वंस टाइड कैन नॉट बी अनटाइड. एटर्नल यूनियन. In Hindu religion, marriage is an eternal union. Means it is not union for this life only, but for lives to come. According to Manu, husband and wife are united not only for life, but after death also. Hence, widow remarriage was not recognized. Holy union. In Hindu religion, marriage is considered as sacramental union and primary objective of marriage is to perform religious and spiritual duties. Begetting son and discharging his debt to his ancestors. This is the reason marriage cannot take place without performance of sacred rites and ceremonies. ये एक होली यूनियन होता है, मतलब एक रिलीजियस और स्पिरिचुअल ड्यूटी. कुछ मैरिज के बाद ऐसे ऑब्लिगेशंस होते हैं जो कि करने होते हैं, उसके कारण इसको एक होली यूनियन माना गया है. इन Venkatacharyalu versus Rangacharyalu 1980 court has held that the person married may be minor or of unsound mind, but if sacred rites and ceremonies are performed, the marriage is valid. अब देखें marriage is as contract. In modern concept, marriage is considered to be contract. This is outcome of industrial revolution and its lofty idea of liberty and equality. In some cases, it also impacted Hindu law. Some characteristics of marriage matches with the Contract Act like consent of parties without force or fraud, age of majority, person of unsound mind, etc. कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की शर्तों को भी हिंदू मैरिज पूरा करता है. Among the 3 important sacramental elements, first, permanent and indissoluble union is destroyed by the provision of divorce. जो 3 एलिमेंट अभी हम लोगों ने देखे उसमें पहला एलिमेंट तो डिवोर्स से डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. Second, eternal union is destroyed by introducing Widow Remarriage Act. The only element is left intact is Holy Union, which presently exists. सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट अब बचा है जो कि होली यूनियन है, जो कि अभी भी चल रहा है. इन भगवती शरण सिंह वर्सेस परमेश्वरी मोहन मनोहर सिंह, court has held that marriage is not only sacrament but also a contract. In conclusion, we can say that Hindu marriage is not fully sacramental or contractual. It is unique blend of both sacrament and contract. Wish you happy learning. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. It is totally free. Thank you.